What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I just have something really funny I want to share with you guys. So yeah, this is kind of a different video, but we were in this restaurant for lunch, and this old lady was sneezing so loud that it was just so funny. But yeah, here it is guys. Peace.
Thank you, ma'am. That was about number 8, because we just started recording. So that was 8. Just keep listening. There's 9. It's 9 sneezes. They're coming about every 10 seconds. That's 10. Number 11. This is when you need to get up and go outside or something. That's Philip Rivers. How he travels to games. He can watch. Here it comes again. This would be 12. There you go. That was 12 right there. 12 sneezes. Whoop. Here comes 13. Number 13. She's going for the world record in sneezing. Oh, she's okay. It's like 15, man. I know, man. I've been there though, man. I've had allergies that just kill me.
Oh yeah, it's the, it's the beginning of the season, the end of the season.
Yeah.
I swallowed the other day.
That. Here comes another one. Tyler said she's done.